Do you or someone you know suffer from sciatica? If so, would you like to learn about one of the things we do at Trinity Chiropractic to help you with it? Well, stay tuned and we'll show you. Hey, I'm Dr. Dave Easler with Trinity Chiropractic, and today I have Cheryl with me, and she's going to help me demonstrate one of the things that we do at Trinity Chiropractic to help you with your sciatic pain.
Bella also wanted to help out with the video today too.
So a common cause of sciatic pain is a bulge in the discs in your lower back. And if that disc is putting pressure on that nerve, that can lead to the condition called sciatica. And the most important thing that we do at Trinity Chiropractic is the spinal adjustment to restore normal mobility and position of the bones in your spine. But there are other things that we can do to help as well. One of those is our spinal decompression that we use with our Back on Track spinal decompression table. Cheryl's going to help me show you how we use it.
Okay, first we're going to get Bella off the table here.
And she just sits down and lays back. We're going to support her neck there. Good. And we'll give you that to hold. Now we're going to start the session, and the table's just going to lean back and lay Cheryl back here. As you can see, there aren't any harnesses that go on her hips or on her torso, so it's very comfortable. Now that it's got her in position, it's in a moment going to start stretching out, just gently decompressing those discs and opening up the little openings where the nerves come out to take the pressure off those nerves. Now it's going to start working to the side to further decompress those nerves, take that pressure off, and also help with the discs. Very comfortable. Is there any discomfort whatsoever?
No, very, very gentle stretch, very comfortable. Our patients call this the magic chair.
And it gently works back and forth, taking the pressure off those nerves and helping you recover from your sciatica. It's just one of the things that we do in addition to the adjustment at Trinity Chiropractic to help you get back to doing the things that you love. Now, if you or someone you know is suffering from sciatica, please click on the link below and it'll take you to another page. We're currently running a new patient special for those of you who come from this video and take us up on this offer. On the next page, there will be a spot for you to fill in your name, your email address, and your phone number, and then somebody from our office will get a hold of you and get your appointment set up. If you're suffering from sciatica, please take us up on this offer. If you have any questions, just post them in the links below. Thanks for watching.